nothing new, but it's so good.
Everybody, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is a car clean with me, and our car was filthy, so I'm so happy today that Vaclife is sponsoring this video. They sent us over a VL188N to share with you, so we are going to try that out today. It comes with a lot of attachments and a cord that you can charge this with, and the best part about it comes with 2 filters. So if you have a lot of cleaning to do and you don't have a lot of time, you can just switch out your filters, which is what I did. That way you can just clean them later on throughout the day. You don't have to worry about cleaning them right away. It also comes with a manual to tell you all about their vacuum cleaner. So we're going to start in the front of the car, which is where the most of the mess is. So let's get to cleaning.
Still can't believe you love me.
So I'm using it with the extended nozzle. It's a clear nozzle and it has a shape to it where you can get in all the nooks and crannies, which was very helpful. So our car is super messy because Aaron was using the car for a while, and he is a tree foreman, so he collects a bunch of dirt and sticks and leaves on his boots. So I also used the brush on the vacuum to kind of pick up the dirt, and then went back in without it to suck up all the dirt. So it did really good job compared to what our car started out looking like and what it ended up looking like. So I will show you a bunch of before and after clips as well. But we do have stains on our cushions, so if you see some spots that look like dirt, they are stains which will need to be shampooed in the future. So look how dirty this is. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out and then start to use it again. I did clean this out about 3 times in the car. Here is a before real quick of the driver's seat. Woo! She is messy. But this vacuum cleaner did a really good job, and I think it's under $40, so to me it's a really good deal. And I can also use this in the house, not just in the car. So it's really good for like those quick messes where you don't have to whip out a big old vacuum cleaner. You can use this cordless vacuum cleaner instead. And the runtime on this, I used it for about 45 minutes before I had to plug it back in. So I think that's pretty good. Okay, so here's the before again, just to show y'all the satisfaction that I received. And here is the after. So for what it looked like to begin with, I think this vacuum cleaner deserves an A for effort. It did a great job. I'm not expecting miracles here. I just wanted it to be cleaner and more presentable for like when we want to go out somewhere. It's not a hot mess like it was. And now we are in the back seat of the car, which was also pretty messy, but it did a good job there as well. We have some like papers that are like crusted on to the carpet itself, so we'll need to like shampoo this in the future, like I said before. But in the meantime, this vacuum did a great job, so I'm just very appreciative of Vaclife for sending this over for us to try. And I will leave a link down below if y'all would like to pick up this vacuum cleaner. They have them on their Amazon store, and it's just super convenient, and it's doing a really good job.
You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say
Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and plug in the vacuum. It has this little cord right here, and you just pop it right in, and then it lights up a color to let you know if it is needing to be charged or not. So it will turn green when it's ready to use again. But here is a quick after for you of what it looked like when I was done vacuuming. And if you can tell, the rest of the car still needs some work. So we're going to finish cleaning up the car today. And I hope y'all are enjoying this video so far, and it motivates you to clean out your car as well.
rose if I'm honest. You're the leaves.
Alright, so we've had a lot of pollen over here in North Carolina, so I'm just taking this and I'm going to wipe the car down. And I also went outside of the car and wiped down all the glass windows and windshield in the back. I just kind of dusted everything I thought needed to be dusted. Anything that had a bunch of pollen on it. So let me know in the comments, is y'all's pollen a little crazy where you live? I'm also going to clean up the sides of the doors where we open them, where you get in and out. Whenever it rains, we get a lot of mud and stuff on here. So cleaning this up, making it look like the color it came as. I don't know, I felt really good after the car was clean. After we vacuumed it and wiped everything down, it felt so good. So take care of your cars or trucks or whatever you drive, and you will appreciate them a lot more. Who needs a new car when you can just clean up the one you already have?
I was lost or I was found, nothing ever in between, shedding tears or extremely happy. Got no one to stick around. Once my heart was in pieces, I told myself that was what I needed. The more I felt drowning in doubt, needed to see a way out somehow. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed up and then get rid of.
So now I'm just going to go back in and make sure I got every little speck of dust off of here. So I'm just using this blue gel stuff. And we're going to get all of those little dust particles off that seem to not want to come off ever. Even with what I was using, it was kind of difficult for me to get it off. But we're almost done in this video, so I wanted to let y'all know that there is a link down below for the Vaclife vacuum cleaner that I was using, and my best things about it is that it's cordless, so I don't have to worry about me not being able to go so far with it. I can go wherever I want with it. I can charge it. I can take it with me somewhere if I need to, if I'm afraid that I'm gonna have like a spill and I just need to clean up real quick. And it lasted a pretty long time. Like I said, I think like 45 minutes. I was outside vacuuming the car. And what else did I like about it? Oh, I liked all the extra attachments it came with, especially that it had 2 filters instead of 1. I've never seen that before, so I really appreciated that because I did not have time to clean the first one after I got done using it. I popped in the next one that was clean, and I was able to get so much more done in a short amount of time. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see you back here in the next one. Here are some more cleaning videos for you if you need a little extra cleaning motivation today, and I will see y'all back here in another video. Bye!